Have you tried searching Negros Island sa TikTok? Kung anong mga content parte sa atong isla? Out of curiosity, I did that and here's what I found out. 7 out of 10, and I mean 7 out of 10 contents are about tourist attractions and beaches. Ano lang nga. It's good. I mean, Negros Island has a lot of beaches and tourist attraction nga dapat manggid ma-proud kita. But what saddens me in that realization is that we are more than our physical or geographical tourist attractions. Negros Island has a lot to offer aside from our beaches, our gardens, our cafes. Damo gid our culture, our story, our history. Who tells these stories from Negros? I think the most qualified people to tell these stories from Negros are the Negrosanons themselves, because who better understand the context of island history and culture aside from its people, 'di ba? So that's the more reason why ang motivation ko subong is to write stories about Negros or Sagay, basta anything related sa Negros. Because for me, that's the perfect time. I think the world is ready to learn more about the Philippines and the regional culture. Biggest example na dira ang latest movie ni Liza Soberano, di ba nga, The Forgotten Island, which is really about the Philippines. So yun, it just, for me it just signifies that Filipino culture is becoming mainstream, and pretty soon the world will be ready to learn more stories about Filipino culture, regional culture, and yun. I think it's time for storytellers to get out of their shell and start writing stories about our culture, our people. Di ba la? So, we will not allow DreamWorks. We will not allow, I mean, they're good, but we will not allow a foreign company to tell our story on our behalf. If we can tell it ourselves, why should we wait for them to validate our experience and tell our history? Di ba? I mean, no offense to DreamWorks. No, I mean, it's good that they're trying to reach out to these regional places. But if we can own the storytelling part, di ba? Why not? Okay. So, if you're looking for Sagaynon stories, so Negrosanon stories, I have one. Go to my profile and read si Sir Kag ang Gamay nga Bata. It's a multi-awarded script that I wrote for Maragaha Film Festival 2025, which went on to win multiple awards in terms of script writing sa different film festivals. So, like Lutas Film Fest, and it's also nominated sa Alternative Film Festival sa Toronto, Canada. It's also a Critics' Choice na film sa Bangkok Film Festival. So yeah, my profile. It's there. Let me know if you want. You can also DM me if you just want to pay via GCash, and I can send it to you. Okay?